Okay, installing a microwave, and I should have filmed taking the old one out. The screws were stripped. Thing was a little crazy, but old one's out. But you're finding something creative to use to prop up at least one side, especially when you're doing it by yourself. Sometimes a paint can will work just right. It just depends the size, what you got going on. Pass your cord through first, otherwise you'll be taking it back down so that you can pass the cord through.
I know, because I've done it.
So there's the cord. So I won't plug it in until after, but again, using the mounting kit box, in theory, to prop it up while just kind of takes the strain off of being able to mount it. And we can pass the screws through, and this one, since it was mounted before, makes it a little easier. So, and the key when installing a microwave is don't push too hard on your drill as you're putting your screws in, because these have these mounting clips inside, and if you push really hard, the thread will push that mounting clip through, just pop right into the middle of the microwave, and then you'll be stuck with that spin inside the microwave. No fun. I've done that too. And hopefully I don't break my rule. Sometimes can be a little tricky. And I see why. Got a few things going on this one. Front one. So now I can take this and prop it up on the back one. Again, that takes a little bit of the strain off. This back one is here. Three screws in, that's good. And the last one will probably be the really tricky. Yep, started in nice and easy. Hey, sometimes get a little lucky. Don't over tighten. The danger of the impact driver is you've got no clutch. So the other thing to watch for on something like this is your cabinet doors hitting. Sometimes if it's tightened up too much, your doors might hit. You can lessen the screws to adjust that a little bit if need be. This one's alright. It's all tight. Done deal. Okay. And now plug it in, you can set the time and all that good stuff. And okay, there you go. Plate and the turn plate screw. There we go. Let's get this stuff removed. Sometimes if it didn't have this yellow sticker on, sometimes I'd leave the plastic on just to keep it in good shape for a while. Sometimes it's nice to have the extra layer of get one round of funky stuff before, you know. Shit, it's like brand new again. Let's see, 210, set clock, 210, we're all set there. Now you can test it. You don't want to run it empty, so if you're going to test it, get a rag wet or a cup of water or something along those lines. You just don't want to run it empty. Have it be microwave in itself. We can make sure our turn plate works and all that. This one went on automatically. would advise against microwaving that for 3 minutes. You just want to do it long enough to, yeah. Although it can be a good trick when you're cleaning something that's really stubborn, is microwave just a little bit, and then you got a nice hot rag. You know, heat makes things expand, so sometimes something stubborn, it can help take it off. But that's it for the microwave, all installed. Mounting kit has more than one use.